Today is the day we leave Garmisch, so we've had a good couple of days. Going up the Zugspitze into Garmisch, going to see the Olympic ski jumps. It's going to be a damp one. Big thunderstorms last night. Yeah, it's rained most of the night. It's trying to rain now. It sounds like this is the forecast. It's going to be on and off all day. So yeah, we'll see. Heading through basically through Austria. Heading south, but across then to Lindau. We're going round, I can't remember what the lake's called, Bodensee, something like that. Then once we get to the end of that, we'll be heading north up to Titisee. But yeah, and here's our Dipsy-Dee.
Good morning, it's like 20:07, so it's 20:06 in the UK. The bells wake you up, you don't need an alarm.
Yeah, it's not the bells, it's the cowbells. But there you go, guys. Right, we're online, Dipsy-Dee.
Wherever we go.
We've just fueled up. 2 minutes into the journey. Absolutely red hot. Layers are come off already. Come off, is that the right word? Probably not.
16 degrees.
Right, we're ready, love?
Yeah, go. There's the BM, the Mercedes, the Leon.
Right.
On out. Well, we've just missed some hairy, scary well, corners.
Oh, we have really, haven't we?
We have. It was deep breath time. Right, there's a car coming down here.
And the rain has baited, which is lovely. After the car, eh?
Yeah.
There we go.
It feels warm though.
It was very warm actually, still 14 degrees mine, but
15 plus.
probably because we haven't got the rain. But yeah, we've just it was hoofing it down, then it dried up a little bit, and the roads have been absolutely phenomenal. You know, so bend after bend, some serious hairpins. Hold your breath hairpins, what the Dipsy-Dee.
They definitely were hold your breath hairpins.
Nice river on the side there to the right.
I just went round and round and round again.
Oh. Right, visor down. It's one of those, visor down, visor up, visor down, can't see, visor back up. So since we stopped at Garmisch, we've probably done 50 k's, 30 miles, so we haven't actually done much. I'll say from here up to Titisee, which is in the Black Forest. If you don't like drops,
Don't look down.
don't look down, as we both just did there.
That was a bit wide.
That was alright, that. Watch the drain cover.
Wow.
Seeing a little bit of rain, could be a bit of spray.
The odd drop.
The odd drop. Beautiful waterfall over there to the right then, and there. In fact, there's a couple. These are the moments where I get the chance to reflect. Because Dipsy-Dee's that focused on the bends. I don't get the idle chit chat.
You do? Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh right, because I got a car in front of me, so it's okay. Oh no, he's gone now. Hello, thank you. Don't expect me to go very fast.
No, there's no rush. No rush at all.
I probably dropped out anyway.
Don't know if you can hear us. Put that up. We're in the Black Forest. We've left Titisee this morning. We've got to be so careful now on footage because we're running out of bloody space on the laptop. It's saying not enough memory, don't want to play anymore, so we're knackered. So it's going to be few and far between these little clips now. But we're on the L112, I think it is. Heading down, well, we're going to the outskirts of Freiburg, not through it because of the clean air zone. And it's a bloody town and busy. And that's it. You enjoying it, Dipsy-Dee?
Yes.
She is dead quiet on these bends at the minute, bless her. Dead quiet. It's got some mean bends. And I'll be honest with you, bloody hell. I think we've both had overshot a couple. Oh hum, wrong gear. Third gear should have been in second. But oh hum, it's all a learning curve. At least we know reflection. Catch up later, guys. Bye.